So we're talking about derivative of a quotient of functions, which is mostly known as quotient rule. So we have y equals to u over v. We have the y over dx is equals to v the u over dx minus u the v over dx all over v squared. This is the equation for solving quotient rule. Very, very, very important. So before we proceed, I'll be dropping some things we really need to know and are very important. There are some principles that are very important when solving quotient rule or solving differentiation at large. We have y, and you have the y over dx. So here we have c is 0 by differentiating. C is 0. We have x raised to power n. When differentiating changes to nxn minus 1. We have a dot x raised to power n. We have en dot xn minus 1. Please, these rules are very, very important when differentiating. It's good to know them offhand. We have sine x. When differentiating changes to cos x. We have cos x. When differentiating changes to minus sine x. We have tan x. When differentiating changes to sec squared s, sec squared x. And we have exponential x changes to exponential x. So please, these rules are very, very important while differentiating. So back to our topic for the day. So we're given a question where we have y equals to sine x over x squared. So the numerator is u and the denominator is v, always. So we have our u equals to sine x and our v equals to x squared. So we have the u over dx changes to cos x, and the v over dx changes to 2x. I hope you understand from the tabular form I showed earlier. These 2 must come to the front and 2 subtract 1, which gives us 2x. So now we have the y over dx of quotient rule is equals to v the u over dx minus u the v over dx all over v squared. So wherever we see v in this equation, when you put the given numbers x, be it x squared or other variables sine x or cos x. So v changes to x squared. The u over dx is cos x minus u changes to sine x. The v over dx changes to 2x all over v squared. V squared is what? X squared. So we have dy over dx is equals to x squared cos x minus 2x sine x over x raised to power 4. Over x raised to power 4. So what's a constant here? It's x. So we have dy over dx equals to x into bracket x cos x minus 2 sine x. We factorize. That's why we got this x out here. Then we have x raised to power 4. So this x cancels this. Then we have our final answer to be dy over dx equals to x cos x minus 2 sine x all over x cubed. So this is our final answer. Please, let's take one more question. So let's deal with this question number 2, where y is equals to sine x over cos x. Let's proceed. U is equals to sine x. Like I said, the numerator is sine, the numerator is u, and the denominator is v. So v is equals to cos x. So product rule where we have dy over dx equals to v the u over dx, v the u over dx minus u the v over dx all over v squared, all over v squared. Then we have dy over dx is equals to u is sine x. So before I proceed, let's go back. We have gotten for du over dx and dv over dx. So we said du over dx is what is cos x, and the v over dx is minus sine x. Very, very important. From the table I showed earlier. Then we'll proceed by saying v equals to sine x. The u over dx is what? The u over dx. Sorry, this is a mistake. V is cos x. So the u over dx, the u over dx is also cos x. Minus u is sine x. And the v over dx is minus sine x over v square. V square is cos x squared. So proceed by saying dy over dx is equals to cos multiplied by cos gives us cos square x minus sine x multiplied by minus sine x multiplied by minus sine x gives us plus plus sine square x in maths. Minus multiplied by minus is plus, plus multiplied by minus is minus, and plus multiplied by plus gives us plus. These are some principles of mathematics. Over cos x squared is cos square x. So in mathematics, in trigonometry, we have some principles. We have cos x squared, cos square x plus sine square x in trigonometry is 1. And also in trigonometry, when you have 1 over cos x, it is sec x. When you have sine x over cos x, it's tan x. And when you have 1 over sine x, it gives you cosec x. Because these are some principles in trigonometry. It applies, and mathematics, it's a subject that every other principles applies everywhere. This applies also in differentiation and every other part in mathematics. So we have cos square x plus sine square x, it is 1. So we write 1 over cos square x. And when I say 1 over cos square x, our final answer will be what? Sec square x. So we say dy over dx is sec square x. So this is our final answer. Thank you very much.